Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to add your own audio on a TikTok application. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your TikTok application and you can sign and log in with your account. And after that we need to create some content first to add the audio into our TikTok. So this is the tips. So you just need to take a look on this bottom sections right here. There will be 5 sections, but then we need to go click this plus button to access the TikTok camera. And here now we already have an access into this TikTok camera. So here is my hand, my finger, and you can just choose either you want to add a photo or video. You can also add the sounds if you want to make or insert the sounds directly from your phone. And after that you just need to go take a look on this line. There will be like 4 sections for you, favorites, more, and your sound. To add your own sound, go click your sounds here. So you can choose either you want to do it import local sound or import sound from the video. So this one is to search the music collections on your phone, but since I have no music collection, so I would like to import the sounds from my video. So I just need to go click this part, and here I already have the sounds, and just go click the import sounds right away. And now you already added your own sounds or music into the TikTok application. So that is the way, guys, how to add your own sounds, your own audio, your own music on a TikTok. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.